Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your thread on Thread apps. So this one is quite easy and simple. Now let's open your Thread application. As you can see here, I already on my profile. Now you can always get an idea who viewed your post by who has liked that specific post of yours. So as you can see here, I have created a one reply and one like so that you can see the example. So if you click the one like icon, you will see here who liked your videos. There you go. And then on the reply, you will see here underneath the name of who replied in your threads. So that's how you can see or view the one who see your post. And then for example, like here it has a 115 likes. So if you click that one, you will see all the people who like that threads. And then you will also see who commented on this specific post on threads. So that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.